Do you love a delicious burger? Despite the fact that cheeseburgers are a staple on the menu of most drive-thru eateries, an incidental single-patty burger can be a piece of a sensible, nutritious eating regimen. You simply need to realize how to arrange, or how to cook, a cheeseburger to keep it sound. Nourishment Facts. The accompanying nourishment data is given by the USDA to one burger with a solitary patty and no fixings, 90 grams. Calories, 266. Fat, 10.1 grams. Sodium, 396 milligrams. Starches, 30.3 grams. Fiber, 1.1 grams. Sugars, 5.2 grams. Protein, 13.3 grams. Eating a burger will support your soaked fat admission. Ground hamburger, the essential fixing in a burger, is high in immersed fat. What's more, a few people even set up their burgers utilizing extra fat like margarine or oil. Immersed fat is connected to a higher danger of cardiovascular infection. The nourishment specialists at the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics suggest that you limit your soaked fat admission to 10% of your all-out day-by-day calorie consumption. In any case, the news isn't all terrible on the off chance that you love a decent burger. A burger provides some healthy benefit. It is a decent wellspring of protein, iron, phosphorus, and a few different supplements. In the event that you decide to eat your cheeseburger on entire grain bun, it might likewise give solid, filling fiber. Calorie comparison. The quantity of cheeseburger calories you expend may rely upon where you purchase or request your burger. Making it at home is normally your most logical option for good well-being since you can utilize a lower fat planning strategy. On the off chance that you eat out, here's the means by which a couple of famous burgers think about. McDonald's hamburger, 240 calories, 8 grams fat, 3 grams immersed fat. Burger King hamburger, 220 calories, 8 grams fat, 3 grams immersed fat. In-N-Out burger hamburger with onion, 390 calories, 19 grams fat, 5 grams of immersed fat. McDonald's Big Mac, 530 calories, 27 grams fat, 10 grams immersed fat. Red Robin Keep It Simple burger, 624 calories, 33 grams fat. Burger King Whopper, 630 calories, 38 grams fat, 11 grams immersed fat. Applebee's Classic Burger, 780 calories, 50 grams fat, 18 grams immersed fat. TGI Fridays All-American Stacked Burger, 1,480 calories, 93 grams fat, 34 grams of immersed fat. Note that a portion of these mainstream cheeseburgers are made with more than one hamburger patty. Step-by-step instructions to make your hamburger healthier. A solitary patty cheeseburger likely isn't the most beneficial decision at supper time, but at the same time it's not the most noticeably terrible. Also, there are a couple of things you can do to make your burger increasingly solid. Make your burger at home. At the point when you cook at home, you can control the segment size. As indicated by the American Heart Association, the suggested serving size for meat is only 3 cooked ounces. You can likewise change the planning technique to help your burger sustenance. A few people make burgers with breadcrumbs to help tie the meat. However, breadcrumbs will likewise include mass without including an excessive number of calories. You can likewise add lean turkey to your cheeseburger meat to reduce calories. Go flame broiled. Regardless of whether you eat out or cook at home, a barbecued burger will be better than a burger that is singed. Why? Since when you flame broil meat, the fat empties away out of the meat. At the point when you cook your patty in a griddle, the meat sits in fat and ingests a lot of it. Attempt it topless. Most cheeseburger buns can include calories, fat and refined starches to your dinner. So cut your tally down the middle by abandoning the top. Your burger will be messier to eat, however somewhat more beneficial. What's more, you can generally utilize a fork and blade if essential. Another choice is to utilize a lettuce wrap as a bun and avoid the bread altogether. Scale back on salt. Numerous cafe cheeseburgers are salty. In the event that you are attempting to decrease sodium in your eating regimen, downsize on the additional salt when you cook a burger at home. Utilize different seasonings like new onion or jalapeno for an increase in flavor. Be wary of toppings. The burger patty is high in calories, however garnishes and fixings can send your fat and carbohydrate level over the edge. Skip bacon, mayo, grill sauce and even ketchup on the off chance that you need a superior burger. Select your side dish with care. What combines consummately with a delicious burger? On the off chance that you are eating out, all things considered, your supper will accompany fries and perhaps a milkshake. Your complete carbohydrate content for that supper will be in the thousands. In the event that you need to cut fat and calories, make the most of your burger with veggie sticks or a little solid serving of mixed greens. Furthermore, drink water to extinguish your thirst.